We have a fourth chapter to here. First is the overview about the company. Second is the solution for the excavator. Third is the solution for the grader, and fourth is the benefits of the machine control. Overview about the company. First we introduce about the company. We are the satellite-based solution company. We have founded in Sweden. We have just 40-year experience in the GNSS industry for the high precise grid surveying. First we talk about the machine control. We just integrate the first things, that is the high precision positioning system. Second is the IoT, Internet over Things, control, and third is the algorithms. Complex algorithm to reduce the stress of the operator on the site, to reduce the cost of the project and increase the productivity of the. Now we are challenging things over the construction industry. There is a blind zone under the water, we cannot work perfectly. So we are using the machine control, especially for the excavator. And this is the market size for the, especially for the machine control. We are expecting in 2028 the market size for the machine control is around 7.3 billions. Right now in 2020, last year, the size of machine control is 5.1 billion. And here this size for the construction industry, the machine control, especially the 73% is the total machine control size. And out of 73, 59% is for the excavator system, 73% for the grader system, and 6.3% for the grading purpose. We have three solutions. One for excavator guidance system. That system is the ACS E30, is for the excavator. And second is the grader control system, ECS G60. And third is for the dozer guiding system. We have a three solution for the machine control. We have a solution for the excavator. Especially the excavator are using for the dredging purpose, and second for the breaking water, and for trenching purpose, and for slope trimming. And for these we require a highly precise. We can avoid the rework. We can reduce our cost and we can increase our efficiency. So we have some tools to complete this system. We are integrating the 4 IMU system. 4, that name is the S101. This is the display system. That model is the TD122, and there are 2 antennas. Those are established on the back side of the excavator. And because they have a dual GNSS receiver, one for the positioning, second for the angular measurement, and the device that is the unit is the MC101. We can see this about the hardware introduction. We have already explained about the tablet. It is IP67, and they have a 10 inches display, and they can support to input-output port. And there is a receiver. They can track all the constellation like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BIDO. And second is the antenna. Antenna name is 8044. And fourth is the IMU, that measures the angular displacement about the mechanical. This is the installation view. This is the display for the operator, those who can see what is the design data, what they have imported into the system. This is the receiver that has been fixed on the back side of the driver, and this is the IMU receivers. We can see here the benefit we have talked about here. The first thing for the dredging, trenching, trimming. We can hear the benefits of the trenching, because if you are using the excavator system, we can reduce effort of the operator, we can avoid the multiple rework, and we can get a better shape. And basically we have imported the data, so the operator can see the perfectly we are doing it is perfectly or not. For the dredging purpose, we have a perfect solution for the dredging, especially for the underwater. We have a multiple solution for the dredging. Again, the purposes for the machine, whether you are doing the trimming, dredging, we can the behind of the 4 things, we can reduce the cost, we have to avoid the rework, we can save the cost and improve the productivity of the work. Now we have to talk about the solution for the grader. It is the four things, but for the grader we are required the additional unit, that is the control unit, that who can control the mechanical parts of the hydraulic system. But the rest things are the same, that is the IMU, display and receivers. For the dredging, it is same as per the excavator. Antenna, display are the same, receiver are the same, IMU are the same. Only the additional is the hydraulic control for the grader. We have a guiding system for the bulldozer. Even though we can use the same system for the grader, for the dozer, we do not need to buy the additional devices. Actually, the hardware installation is almost same, is very similar to the excavator, dozer and grader. It is same, we can use for the fine grading. The purpose of the machine control still are the same. We can use the perfectly for the fine leveling, for the fine giving the shape of the object. Here actually we are integrate four things for the control system with the antenna, IMUs, that is the gyroscope base that for sensing the angles. If you are using the machine control, you can reduce your time, you can improve your productivity and your cost. This is the purpose of the machine control. Now the SatLab has committed to save the cost of the contractor, increase the productivity and to reduce down the stress of the operators using the cutting edge technology of the SatLab. Now thank you. If you have any question, you can ask.